Let's write the code to open single browser and close, as well as we open multiple browsers and we try to close this. So first understand the use case. We are going to open google.com. After that we are using new browser instance and opening YouTube. Then we try to close this current browser as well as all open browser as well. So let's go to FileChamp. Near create a file, so go to your folders and right click and new file, and you can give any name, .robot. So we can give test underscore close browser .robot. So here let's write the code for this. So first of all robot codes, .robot code consists on 4 section. First one is the setting, test cases, then variables and keywords. In this section we not using any variables and keywords, so we not using those section. In setting section we need Selenium library, so we import library Selenium library. Then we directly write the test case. So here closing the browser is our test case name. So first line of code, we open the browser google.com on Chrome. Then we maximize this browser, then we give the sleep of 3 seconds. This is our first task. Then second task we need to open the youtube.com. Then we need to maximize this browser, we will give this 3 seconds sleep. Then one by one we try to close the browser. If we use this command close browser, it will close single latest browser, not first one or last one. So first of all we use this close browser and then close all browser. This will close all open browsers. So for this we can say, for this code, as we have seen there, this google.com, we open it on a new browser instance, but in similar way we will open the new browser and we will open the youtube.com and we try to close all those browsers. So these about this code. We try to execute that one by one. So very first in this code we need to understand we not using any variables or any keywords, so only test cases we can write along with settings. In setting we need only Selenium library, so we imported only Selenium library. Then under test cases we write the test case to open our https://www.google.com/ on Chrome browsers, and we maximizing this. Then we are given sleep of 3 seconds. We can give any sleep, 3 seconds, 5 seconds, 10 seconds. Then we are again after 3 seconds we are opening this youtube.com on Chrome instance. Then again we maximizing this browser window. Then we can given the sleep for 3 seconds. Then in first go we see the close browser commands, where in close single latest browser. But if we open 5 or 10 browsers, then this command only close that for current driver focus, where the current driver focus, those browsers only this command will close. And if we use this close all browsers, then it will try to close all open browser which are we saw we have now currently 2 open browsers. We try to execute this code step by step. So this code about the opening the browsers and closing the particular browser or closing the all browsers. So let's try to execute this. So go to terminal and we can use the command like robot. Our code is in automation folder, so automation /test_. we can give the name close browser.robot. So after that we can execute that by entering this code, but before this we need to understand, after execution of this we will get this logs report. We can go to this report card and we can see how many test cases we executed, how many test cases are failed. Also we see the step by step logs of our test case, where our test case is opening, which browsers and what action it's performing. All those we need to verify after the execution of this test. So let's start. Here we try to execute this. So we try to execute first, close all browsers, all open browsers. So go to terminal and use this automation test close browser.robot and click on enter. So after enter, we can see our test case is getting executed. So first upon all, it will open the google.com, then it will maximize, it will maximize our browser. Then it will open second browser, separate browser, and it will be for youtube.com. It's opening. Now it will be get maximized. Yes, our browser is opened. Now it will get maximized. Browser is maximized. So currently we use close all browsers. So all browsers get closed. So we can wait for some times. It takes times. We can see our all browsers are get closed by using this close all browsers. Now we can go for a single browser closing. So we are opening two browsers and we need to close anyone in this current driver focusing browser. You can see last we have already passed all those test cases for close all browsers. Now go again and execute this command. We can see our first browser is opening. It will open google.com. It is opening. Now it will be get maximized. We can see here our browser get maximized. Then second browser will get opened for youtube.com. Opening, second browser is opening. Now it will get opening. Now we can see youtube.com is opening. Now it will be get maximized. Now we can see here YouTube is opening. It's open and now it will be get maximized. You can see here. It takes some time, so it will perform, depends on your internet speed, and we also given some time delay also, so it will take some time. You can see our YouTube page get maximized. Now it will close current where driver is focusing, that browser it will be get closed. This first browser is not get closed automatically, right? So this our test case get passed. So as this way we can execute for single and multiple browser. Here the reports, we can go and check the report also. So click on this report. Here we can see a beautiful report is generated. You can see all tests are passed. You can see HTML log file also. Here we can see the logs, complete logs, test case name, closing. So here we can see opening the browsers, maximizing window sleep, open browser, maximizing sleep, then close. So our test case failed. Our test case is completely passed without failing.